Right, so welcome back to the motion order thing. I'm going to aim to try and get these 4 out of the way and maybe the next 4 as well, we'll see. But mainly this one because I think OmegaForget might be annoying. And I already tried this once and struggled on Kyudoku, so I guess we'll just see how this goes. Okay, interesting first one there. The initial value is... Sorry if I stop talking at some point because I am at home, so some people might start walking in and out of the rooms. It's 36 number. I assume that's a 1. It's going to be 36, 1 plus 9 plus 7. Yes, so 9 plus 7. 52. 1G red. I think this is. Red. Get 13. So we get I equals 52. C equals 13. So E equals I minus C. 52 minus 13. 39. Then the rotation, that is positive Z, positive Y to positive Z. I think that's positive. Positive Y to positive Z. Say 0, then 999 minus 2 times I. That. We get 895. Modulo 100. 95. This is 10. And then in this sequence, white and black are adjacent, no. Red and cyan are opposite, no. Green magenta opposite, no. Blue and yellow opposite, no. Buds separate orange and purple, no. Red and blue are adjacent, no. 2 buds separate white and black, no. And yellow and green are adjacent, no. Just note down this order, just in case. So orange, blue, yellow, cyan, black, red, purple, green, white, magenta. That's first stage. And there's no swaps. If we look here, red and cyan are opposite, no. Green, magenta, no. Blue and yellow, no. Yeah, I think none of these apply. Oh wait, yeah, okay. Yeah. So it's just this reference. So tentages use those as colour. So blue in position 0. That's our stages. And now let's do the third module. It's much better roll than I got last time. Because we know that one's definitely right. 8, 7, 6. No. 8. No. 5. 8. 7. No. 8. 5. 6. No. 7, 6, 8. Didn't leave any 5s. 6, 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Why is that wrong? Oh, there. There we go. Okay. Second stage we have is ZT. Is it lime or is it just going to be green? And it's lime and jade. That one is regular green, I think. Yeah, that looks like regular green. Green white. And the sequence this time is time from something. I didn't see which one flashed there. I think it was the orange one. Yeah, okay, the orange one. Orange, blue. Or is it always the same? Yellow, cyan, black, red, purple, green, white, magenta. Okay, maybe it's the same every single time. I just never noticed. So initial value is going to be 36, 26 plus 9, plus 20 plus 9, and that would be subtract 1000 to 89. Green, white gives 39. Stage 1 is 2C. 2 times C plus 7. A5. The rotation. You probably should note down the rotation as well. So that is positive y to positive x, I think. With stage 1. We need D here. Okay, so we needed this 0, which was J, which was 95. M, M, N. Because those that. And we had that. We had 895 that was. So we have E, which was 85. Yeah. So we have 85 plus that plus I minus, wait, this is D minus J, which is that. D is to display base 64, the decimal. 64, 26 plus 20, 26 plus 9 even, plus 20 plus 9. If we use a great this, I strike 1006 within the range. For that. Should we apply to that as well? Negative 282. Use the values in this 8.100. .48. .48. Since it's the same, we had none of those. It's just going to be green. The 34, which is green on green 4. And the value we got out of this was negative 252. Hopefully I've done that right. Brawler Database. Okay, so Ezel. Home is Gundalia. Attribute is Ventus. Infection is 12 orders.
Data restoration successful.
Okay. We have XV purple white and those positive X becomes positive Z. Is it? Is that positive Z becoming positive X? Which one is ZX actually? It's ZX. The initial value is going to be 24 wait, 36, 24 plus 9, plus 22 plus 9. So that. Oh wait, no, I made a mistake there. Damn it. Because the numbers were meant to be converted into octal afterwards. Damn. So, 1, 36, plus 7 plus 9 is 52 in octal, 64. And then we had red, red. Don't think I got these wrong. So it would be 64 minus 13 is 51. The rotation YZ. 9 minus 2, 64. Then we will get 100. And we didn't have any changes there, so instead get 71. We get 62, which is going to be purple 2. Then we had ZT, which was 36, 26 plus 9 plus 20 plus 9 into octal, modulo 100. That's 1,000 even. Just need to check what we got out of the function again. A70 gone. We then had green white 39. The function was 2c plus 7. 2, 39 plus 7. A5. And it was rotation yx. So it was E plus, then it was 64, 26 plus 9 plus 22 plus 9. No wait, 20 plus 9 is ZT. If any operator at any point use a number greater than that, so we have A5 plus that plus 411 minus J equals 1. Minus 6. Then we had that mod 100. Is 94. Which means yellow on 4. Right, 94. In here becomes 08, which becomes black in position 8. And then this one, 36, 24 plus 9 plus 22 plus 9, converted into octal. Three of 3. The LED values are violet and white. So it is, yeah, violet, white. Goes 67. And to get E, we take 37 plus 37 mod 2 plus 3 plus 3 mod 2 over 2. One and one. Rotation is what is it of X. So we have display, basically 4. 24 plus 9 plus 22 plus 9. So 1.3 minus 2 of 3 plus 1 and 1 plus K, which is minus 6. Gives us minus 7 minus that's 457 mod 100 is 43. 43 becomes 58. But 58, which is orange 8. Probably got this completely wrong, but okay. Shotguns next. So Control P in Chrome. Is print current page. Command I in macOS is italicize. Escape. Internet Explorer is stop downloading a page. Shift plus F5 in Word is move to a previous revision. Command plus Shift plus F. Toggle between full screen and regular screen. Control plus down arrow in Windows with cursor forward 1 paragraph. Control X on Word. It cuts the selected item. Yay. Okay. CZ. That is like blue, white. And the rotation seems to be positive Z. The positive Y. Positive Z and positive Y. Oh, positive Z become positive Y, yeah. Okay, so 36, 3 plus 9 plus 26 plus 9, converted to octal. That. We then have blue, white, which is 50. Stage 3, that gives us 27. The rotation we saw was ZY. Stage 3 could be negative L. So minus L, so that minus I plus D. D is going to be 64. 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9. 83. Yeah, I think so. Gives us 567. 567 mod 100 is 37. 37 becomes 53, which becomes 03. What we have next? More code. Should try and read this. I think I saw two dashes there. So N or something. That could be da 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 da. You. with you. So one of these ones. And there's like dot 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 something. Don't reply to anything though. This is the dots again link. Next one is dit. Just a singular dit. So K. Could be okay work. Definitely a K though. That is become before it. Oh, there are more ones. That's why. Okay seems to be. Okay, does exist here. Okay, I don't think we found the word. Because this is another. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think we got it. There are two more batteries. It said, yeah, started a dip. Two or more batteries. There are two players in the serial number become broken. BROKN, no. So okay. Okay, interesting, we've got two different greens there. We have 2M. And the greens there, I think are regular green and jade. Or lime. Regular green and lime, actually. Yeah, I'm going to say that's lime. So we have 236 plus 13 plus 9 in octal. C is green line on something like that. And with the rotation is positive Y. Positive Z going to positive Y again. Green line. Column row, right? Yeah. 22. E is minus 22 to that. The Y again. So that is going to be 5i minus L plus 3D minus E. So that. This becomes that. This becomes that. And D is 150. Two. 100 is 62. 62 becomes 74. 74 becomes red 4. Okay. So next we have 7, I think, don't we? Yes. So we are starting with we have red, we have inverted 7. Green, we have 5. And B, we have blue. And that is 2. And with a black. We then have 9, 3, 9, green. Okay. Inverted 9. Inverted 9. And inverted 4. In red. We have inverted 3. we have invert 4 and 9 green. Five, invert 9 and inverted 4 blue. Six, inverted 4 again. As in blue. 9, 3, 7 white. Inverted 1. Zero and 1. That's the last stage, right? Okay. So with -7, then you have green standard, the next one is 7 minus display. Minus display is 9, which gives that gives us -16. So then we have to be less than -9, so we keep adding 10. Then we have inverted 9 red minus display. So -5. Then green inverted plus the display -2. Blue regular is display minus that is 7. Then regular again, this display number minus the previous number, and then white standard is multiplication -9. Green green inverted add. So we've got -8. Okay, so we have 5. Standard green is minus red inverted minus, that's -7. Green inverted -3. Blue inverted. Blue inverted is minus display number, which is the first time in blues of 9, plus that, which gives us -6. And again, put regular. Display number minus that gives us 12, which is 2. Then multiplication, yeah, 6. Then green standard is minus display number, the display number was 0, so 6. I'm not expecting to get this right, to be honest. Okay, 2, green standard, subtraction, -7, red inverted, subtraction, -7 -4 is -11, or -1. Green standard is subtraction again, -10 is 0. We have blue inverted, that's minus displayed number 4 minus 4 plus that, minus this plus the previous number is -4. Then the same again. Display number is 4. Which gives us 0 again, I think. Yep. Multiplication does nothing. And then standard green is subtraction, so -1. Inverted 1, so, okay. So inverted 8 is nothing. 6. Inverted 1. B. So inverted 8, 6, inverted 1. Okay. Nice. We're now stage 5, so stage mod 5, so we're back to start again. And we have E1, black, violet, positive Z, then positive Y. Okay, so E1 is going to be 36, 5 plus 9 plus 1 into octal, 771, the value is going to be black and violet. This might have to mute again. Mute again, no. So we would have that. Then it's just subtraction again. 6, 7, 8. So 1 minus 1 mod 2 over 2 plus display, which is 64 plus 9 plus 1. Get 2, 2. It becomes just 2. Still the same sequence. Yeah, so 2 becomes 82, becomes 04, 04 becomes black 4. So hopefully you've done that right. Let's just see how this goes. Okay. A moment of truth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Orange and 8. Orange and 3. Red 4. Damn. So that's stage 0 and 2 correct. So save recovery. Okay. That is y becoming x. Okay, let's Try that again then. Check the colours maybe. That definitely looking green. So 36, 26 plus 7, 26 plus 9, just 20 plus 9. 289. No, not 289. You know, cool. 111. C is green and white. 9. 2C plus 7. 5. Rotation was YX. We have 85 plus display. 24, 26, x plus 9 plus 20 plus 9. So it's a full number. Maybe that was what I was messing up for. Also, it deleted all of my open tabs, so I haven't got the thing to track which ones I've struck on yet. I'll fix that in a different, at some other point. Plus I minus j, which was that. Which becomes that, which becomes 94. This becomes that means this becomes that. Let's just check that again. 106, that's what I had. That would then be 94. 984, which is then 008, which is then KA. Makes you think I might have got the J wrong then. Let's try J value again. That was 64. Red. It's 13. I went C. Eight, 9, 7. No, that is 1 set. Oh wait, mine is the initial, not the. That is XL1. Hey, I don't know what I did wrong. This might be disappointing, but I might have to skip this one then. Let's see what went wrong. D value is 5, D value is 6619. So I guess I might just be saying that wrong. You won't leave that for now. I guess I'll try again another some other time, but I'll see you in the next video. Okay, I'm gonna have another go at it. OmegaForget, because I found out what I was doing wrong, which is converting this bit. Let's try again and see how it goes. If this goes well, you'll see this at the end of the other video when I said I was gonna skip it. Don't know if there's gonna be much commentary over this, but let's just say what happens. But sorry if there's no commentary over it. Zero T. You get the order at least. Magenta, red, yellow, white, orange, cyan, black, violet, black, green, blue. Yeah, okay. And we can just figure this bit out now, I'm assuming. Find black adjacent. No. Red side opposite. Magenta opposite. Yellow opposite. 1 bind separate orange and purple. Yes. Yeah. Then blue adjacent. No. 2 binds separate black and white. No. Yellow green adjacent. No. So that means in this order, we're swapping the first and 10th colours as shown on the module. So the first and the 10th are M and B. So that's going to B and that's going to F. That's the ordering. Now let's do the stages. Zero T. Jade. Jade lime, I think. Lime. Magenta. And that is positive X versus Z. So we have zero 36 plus 20 plus 9. It's an octal. Decimal, so I take 5, C is that, ICE, and then we have JK, L, and N, but N isn't really needed, I don't think. Okay, we have lime magenta, 56. I think that's lime. Yeah. Stage 0, so it's I minus C minus 1. 0 XZ 2I plus minus 21. You can't possibly do that. We have 49. That is what with J. 49 becomes 66. 66 becomes purple and 6. We then have the C line green thing. And ZX. Of 36 times 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9 the void line green 85. The E value is just 2 times 85 plus 7. Is 7. Rotation is ZX and stage 1. We get 9 and 9 minus I minus J. To 10. Yeah, so that's 210. So 210 becomes just 10. Which becomes 88. Becomes W8. 0P. Again to rows, I think. Yeah. One. Just gonna double check this one. 35, that seems like what I did use. Yeah. Day 1. The colour reference into rows. Day 2. Stage is calculated like this. Day 2. Day 1 plus PT2. Module 100 how to complete operations. That's another thing I think I was getting wrong. So if you're watching the previous part, you've probably spotted me making a few mistakes. So, like 100, how to complete operations. Sorry, this one, 77. This is 77. 999 minus 40 minus 77 minus. Oh, it just didn't involve E anyway, did it? No. 40 minus 49 to 10 to 10 became 88, yeah, okay. Here are the magenta rows. That was XZ, no method? Yeah. In this case we had, and we're going to get all numbers again, I think it was 31, 92, then and then 62. I think we missed something on that one then, because we had 35, and then we had line magenta, 56, 35 minus 56, but then we're going to take it mod 100, 79. There were a lot of mistakes in the previous part, so if you were screaming at the screen there, then yes, I'm sorry. We have XZ to I plus E make that 9, 49 becomes 66, which then becomes 6. I don't actually think it changed the answer there, but probably useful. Then we had 36, 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9 locked. Multi, the colours were lime green. 5 with 285 plus 7, it became 77. And And then the rotation was ZX 909 minus that minus J yeah 110 which becomes 10 1 0 becomes 88 which was Y8. And now this one was 31 yeah. The colours are magenta rose 92 that was 92 then did that it was we still have this in here somewhere yeah it gives 62 which was fine. Then we have rotation XZ we have rotation XZ which is rotation XZ with this is I minus K which is 31 minus 10 minus 79 minus 79 odd 100 21 21 becomes 0 0 which becomes black on 0. Okay. We are line again, I think. Well, lime, I think. Lime violet. Lime violet and then XZ. Or XY. I'm now worried of reading all the other rotations wrong. I'll just go with it and see what happens. VR is going to be K6 22 plus 9 plus 18 plus 9 7 LEDs and lime violet H3 gives us this gives us 13 x3, xy. You have L minus K minus J plus I. Point one mod 100 29 29 05 black on 5. JU S0, is that going to be? Yeah, is it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to go Azure. Magenta. Red becomes X. So JU would be 36, 10 plus 9 plus 21 plus 9, 312. The LEDs would give us 40, giving us the E of 59. ZX gives us I plus K minus M. Uh, the 593, 93, 23, 51. 51 is orange. The first. I am violet black. YZ. And this is back to normal lab. Get oct 9 plus 36, 9 plus 9 plus 13 plus 9. 06. LEDs, VK, or VBK. This give the E value of 73, which then becomes 909 minus 2i, that, that is 527, 527 becomes 27, which gives us 0, 1, 0, 1 is black 1. Yes. Let's see how this goes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. White on 8. K on 0. K on 5. O on 1. And K on 1.
That's all she wrote!
Okay. Thank God. Happy ending. So, now I've actually done it. See you in the next one. See you later.